So now we're going to make the whole roasted cauliflower, which will be one of the best cauliflowers you've ever had. So we've got the oven preheated at 180 degrees. Now we're just going to make the sauce to go on it. Very easy. 3 cloves of garlic straight in. And then we're going to need about 50 grams of Big Tex. If you don't have whole garlic, you can use minced garlic, but this is a bit better. And then simply just mash all this together. So now it's mashed together, we start adding the olive oil in just a bit at a time. And this will just make a really nice paste that will stick to the cauliflower and add a lot of flavour to what is normally a pretty bland vegetable. So almost done, just add the last oil. All right, that is right where we want it. So now all we need to do is just smear it onto the cauliflower basically. So just pick a large amount up and just start to rub it in as well as you can. Try to coat every single part of it. As far as recipes go, this is definitely one of the easier ones. So kind of just stick it all back on top. Make a nice thick covering of it. And then it's good to go in the oven. And that will just go in there for about 45 minutes.